Hey y'all, it's Jen Gordon here at Taptics. Thank you for signing up for the freebie sampler. I aim to teach you how to create a killer mobile design for your app in less than 30 minutes. But before I do, I just want to squelch some lies that I often hear from people whenever they are investigating the idea of taking some training on mobile app design from Taptics. So the first one is usually, well, I'm not creative, you see. Another one is, well, I'm not a designer. I'm just a developer. If I had a nickel for every time I heard these phrases, I'd be a millionaire, truly. And the thing about it is it doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter if you perceive yourself to be not creative or not a designer or just a developer. The whole idea is that you probably know good design when you see it. You just don't know how to create it. A lot of us know good design when we see it, but just don't have the tools or knowledge to recreate what we're seeing. So that's the whole point of Taptics. That's the whole point of this sampler, is to give you an idea of how Taptics provides super easy design tricks that anybody can understand, plus design templates that actually help you execute on the design tricks that I'm teaching. And I want to give you an example of how this applies for me, right? So I've seen this happen with developers who can take on some design skills and do things themselves. I do the same thing. I know some HTML. Don't tell anybody, but I do. I can get by, right? And it saves me a lot of time, a lot of communication, a lot of money calling up a developer every single time I need a small thing done from a programming standpoint. So Taptics is here to help you do a little bit of design if you're a developer, or if you're a designer and you want to amp up your skills and maybe have mobile design as a new career, you can take the Taptics training as far as you like, right? So what do you need? You need a copy of Photoshop, CS3 or higher, and about 30 minutes of your time. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to give you an example of the exact files we'll be looking at. We're going to look at how to make this look like this. It's that simple. All right, so let's get started.